were to put our reason for being into 3 words, it would read sustainable value creation. This is the ethos that has driven our every strategy and endeavor on behalf of the entire stakeholder community. Delivering true sustainability and value to the community across the gamut of their aspirations and endeavors is what we all about throughout the past, the present, and the future. We commenced our business in 1971 as a private limited liability company. We, LB Finance PLC, today operates as a licensed finance company under the supervision of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. With a strong financial tradition extending to 45 years, we deploy a portfolio of financial solutions trusted widely by corporates, small and medium-scale enterprises, and individuals. We offer our customers an unmatched product spread coupled with an undisputable service. The wide range of products offered by us are mainly categorized under 3 main lines. They are investing products, financial products, and value-added services. Under investing products, we offer fixed deposits and savings products such as personal savings and kids accounts. Under the financing products category, we offer leasing, gold loans, hire purchase, mortgage loans, margin trading facilities, personal loans, factoring, microfinance, and other credit facilities. We are proud to mention that the company is a key player in 3-wheel leasing market and the market leader in gold loans in the finance sector. We believe in elevating and enhancing the service rendered to our customers, and thus we offer utility bill payment option under PayHub, money transfer services and rent-a-car services under our value-added products. A team of 2,744 highly motivated employees serve over 500,000 customers through our network of 110 branches and 36 gold loan centers, which works effectively to provide a superior customer service. In order to portray our achievement in our company rating, Fitch Ratings has assigned a credit rating of A- LKA with stable outlook. And this have been able to provide adequate yet exclusive service with credibility and trust to our valued customers. Last year, no doubt, was the best year ever, where we were able to record growth in both business volume and bottom line. Our total asset base exceeds rupees 84 billion, and we have been able to achieve a profit of rupees 3.7 billion during the year. This increase in the revenue was a growth of 70% compared to the previous year's profits. As we achieve our goals and new heights, we believe in sharing it with our stakeholders. As a socially responsible entity, we strongly believe that it is our duty to give back to the community. We have approached this concept by our sustainability framework, and to fulfill this need, we conceptualized 6 sustainability pillars, namely environment, future, health, help, heritage, and safety. Similarly, we strongly believe in inclusiveness both financially and socially. We have approached the financial aspect of this through our microfinancing and Dirimanga loan scheme. As a new step in creating an inclusiveness for the differently abled, we introduced the highlights of our annual report in both Braille and Sign Language, which was prepared by the students and teachers of the Ceylon School for the Deaf and Blind in Ratmalana. This approach is our commitment to invest and allocate resources to aid development and improve the quality of life for the differently abled communities amongst whom we live. We introduced many innovative products that focused on bringing ease and convenience to the user, and the online facility accessibility is one of them. As our journey towards sustainability excel, we have achieved the status of being the first carbon neutral financial institution in Sri Lanka. LB Finance is proud of the trust placed by the general public, making the company one of the largest non-banking deposit mobilizer in the country. We share a common purpose and a passion with all our stakeholders. We together will work in creating a better future that is equitable and resilient.